Varvsbron Bridge, a new road for the development of modern cities. Bridges are constructions that are essential for the development of urban mobility and accessibility between two or more areas that are separated and cannot be easily crossed. A bridge is a pathway that gathers everything in the context without blocking their unnatural movement below. And their construction has been necessary since ancient times because it allows cities to grow and economies to flow between different geographical areas. The purpose and form of a bridge will depend on the load and the traffic carry, and so the land and the physical obstacles it will be placed on. There are four main categories we can use to define a specific bridge. In this occasion, we will talk about the type of bridges by its uses, especially looking into the pedestrian bridge. A pedestrian bridge is designed to facilitate passenger travel over small obstacles, such as body waters, urban roads, or unfriendly terrains. Because of the light weight they carry, their designs tend to be more extravagant and elegant. One particularity of pedestrian bridges is that they care about the finished details, because people will be in near touch, so it is necessary to add a harmonic palette of color, materials, and lightning dots. Now, let's talk about one of the newest pedestrian bridges built up in Switzerland, the Varvsbron Dockyard Bridge, a bridge built up in 2021 and designed by Ramboll Studio in collaboration with the architect Stephen James. This bridge is located in Helsingborg, a coastal city in southern Sweden, which is characterized by the great industrial movement and the series of shipyards located in the waterfront. Until 2019, the waterfront was used as a dockyard where ships are built and repaired, and also served as a goods and passengers transportation port. Around 2014, these dockyards were rethinked as part of the development of the city because of its potential for the creation of urban archipelagos. This is part of the Ocean Hammond project, a project that contemplates the construction of new housing facilities, office buildings, and spaces for commercial local shops, services, and activities that will be related to water. Finally, in 2021, this process of developing new neighborhoods and revitalizing urban fabrics require a new pedestrian and bicycle bridge from Ocean Hammond to Helsingborg city that reduced the distance between the area and the city center. This bridge is a 221 meters long, designed with suspended and cable stay structure. The bridge follows a gently inclined sinuous path curved to an S shape in the plan with two outwardly inclined pylons from which the bridge deck is suspended above the water. This curve resolves the access of the site with a form that feels both instinctive and natural. But how does a cable-stayed bridge work? To know, a cable-stayed bridge is a lighter form of a suspension bridge because the cables that support the roadway are diagonal and directly connected to the towers. Same as the Varvsbron Bridge, the deck is supported at its mid-span by three cables hung from two pylons. The particularity with the Varvsbron Bridge is that rather than the cables being simply connected to the deck edge, as is usual with the cable-stayed arrangement, these cables swoop beneath the deck to cradle it from below and emerge on the other side, rising to the opposing pylon in a dynamic and bold expression of the cable-supported bridge form. Because of the cable stay structure, this bridge enters the category of the fixed bridge. This type of bridges have non-movable parts and are designed to stay where they're made until the time they become usable. The bridge deck itself is a trapezoidal steel box section, fabricated from painted steel and stiffened both longitudinally and transversely. Around 88% of all sheet metal parts are uniquely cut with a unique drawing for each part. In total, 3,000 steel parts with individual geometry has been prefabricated, put in place, and welded together. One of the details that unveil the bridge are the railings made of a unique stainless steel V-bracket system. They are widely spaced along each edge with a woven steel mesh that also provides ponding and follows the curve of the deck. Also, pylons work as a multifunctional element in the design. The pylons provide lighting from within and also from the seat public furniture placed around it, so light turns on according to sunset and sunrise. The materials used into the design are concrete for the base of the main pylons, the steel with prefabricated parts for the deck, pylons, railings, and the rest of the structure, and wood for the seating area finishes. The new bridge is much more than a simple road. It both helps to shape new urban developments and it has become a popular destination itself. The concept behind it is more than a functional passage. It opens a new avenue and contributes to the configuration of a friendlier public space for pedestrians.